Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 1998 Hyundai Accent. And what I'm doing today, I am changing the purge valve. And the reason why I'm changing the purge valve is every time I open the gas tank, let me see if I open it now, and you could hear a hissing sound. I did the same thing to my daughter's mother's car. Every time she opened the gas cap, it'll go shh. Let's see if you can hear it now. Well, we didn't hear it here now, but usually when I drive it for a little bit, and I'm gonna put gas in the car, and I take the gas cap out, I hear like a hissing sound. So, like I said, I did the same thing to my daughter's mother's car, and I changed the purge valve, and it worked wonderfully. And in this car, in this 1997 Hyundai Accent, the purge valve is right in here. You see it right there, all the way down there? I got a flashlight there, right there with that connector. That's the purge valve there. So what I'm gonna do is, it seems like I have to remove the battery. So I'm going to remove the battery. The reason why I'm going to remove the battery, because I think I could get in even better through here. I'm going to see if I can move this fuse box here, and it looks like it's 110 millimeter bowl here. And another one right there. Let me remove the flashlight. That's two. And then to remove the battery, it's a 12 millimeter bowl right here. So first what I'm going to do is disconnect the battery, and it's a 10 millimeters. So I'm going to disconnect this one first. That's the negative. Push this to the side. Lift this up here. Make sure it don't come back. Disconnect this one also. Okay, that one is off also. So they're both off. I'm going to remove that here. And what I did was I put some WD-40 because it's kind of rusty in there. And it seems like I'll try to take the battery, the light out, but it's hidden here. So you have to be very careful when you're taking this butt out of here, this bowl. So I'm going to be using an extension with a swivel socket right here. And the reason why I'm using this is because I don't want to hit the wires in the light and break it. And what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely remove this, and I'll be right back. So I removed the battery, and this is what was holding the battery right here, and you see how rusty it is. So now we can actually see the purge valve right in there. This is the hose, and that's the purge valve right there. Let me just show you how it looks. Take it out this box. This is how the purge valve looks right in there, and it's connected. It looks like it's connected just like this. So let's continue. In case you don't know the part number, I think this is the part number right here. I think it's 28910-22040. Okay, that's the part number for this purge valve. Push this to the side. So now I can probably do it right there, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. So I'm just gonna see if I can take this fuse box out of here. And it has the 10 millimeter bowls right here. Remove this one. Let's see if I can. It also has a washer in it. Okay. Put it in the side. That's one. And there's another one right here. This one you have to be careful that it doesn't fall on you down there. Oh, by the way, I'm using a 10 millimeter wrench. a ratchet wrench right here to speed it up. Okay, I got it. So just two, and it seems like I can push this up. Let's see if I can. Oh, it also has this little plastic here. There's a hole there. Make sure you don't pull it without pushing this out first. But let's see if I can push this to the side over here. Oh yeah, just push it to the side, and there it goes. There goes our purge valve right here. So you can see it has these metal clips right here. We're gonna have to remove that. Remove these right here. So the first thing we should do is just remove the wire harness. So I got me this little pointy thing here. What we have to do is take out this metal piece right here. Right here. Be careful, you don't want to lose it. Just pry it up. And this is how it looks. This is just the clip that's holding it. Put it to the side. Then we just take the wire harness out. Should be able to push it out. Let's see. Yep. So what you do is, once it's in there, grab it and just pull it. You want to push it to the side right here. Put it under for now. Now we have to just take these clamps off. I'm going to be using a pair of pliers. And the first one I'm going to, just remember how it goes, okay? Goes just in, just like this. Okay? Goes in just like that. So we're going to take this here. Clamp them, move it back, take the other one over here, do the same thing. Right there, just squeeze them, push it back. Now all we have to do is just take your time, pull it. See how I pulled it off? Take the other one, take your time, and pull it. There you go. There goes your purge valve right here. So now to connect the other one, this one on the side, take it, push it right in. Make sure it goes all the way in. Take the other one, push it all the way in. Yep, push it all the way in, both. Now we want to move this clamp over. Now, you know what? Let's put the clamps first. Push it again. Goes one. Let's push the other one. Let me see if I can move it. And squeeze it. Put it in the same spot, right there. You see it? One there, one there. Let's put the wire harness. Grab the wire harness. Push it in. You could hear it like a little click. You can actually feel it in your hands. You're gonna take that metal piece that we took out. And we're just going to push it right in there. Maybe open it a little bit in the side if it can go down. There it goes. There you go. Push it down and make sure it has a little clip right here. The metal piece goes in there. The other two sides go there. So it's in. Now let's put everything back. So we're gonna take this. Just remember this right here goes over here. Let's see if I can come in this side. So the plastic goes in a hole that's there, right in there. You push it in, you bring it up. You're gonna take your 10 millimeters, put it by hand first. Take the other one. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna take the other one. Be careful that it doesn't fall on you. Okay. Take an open end ratchet and just start. You don't want to do it too hard, it's plastic. That one is in. Don't forget, make sure the washers are in too, also. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is make sure this is put in. Let's put our battery back. I'm going to put our battery back. Okay. We're going to put this bracket back in there. That's it. Then just connect your battery. You want to just connect your battery. Make sure you screw everything back in with the 10 millimeters. The 10 millimeters. Put the plastic that goes in here, just right here. Make sure it's tied up down there. Make sure this is connected, everything is connected, and that's about it. That's how you change the purge valve on the 1997 Hyundai Accent. It's that easy. The location is hidden in here, so it's very difficult to see, but once you take all that, remove that out of there, it's very easy to do. So this is once again Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. Later.